Okay, yeah, so hello everybody. I'm Rong Quan from Singapore, and today I'll be presenting my CS50 Final Project titled Finance Easy. So this is an extension of the finance project that we did in week 9, and we've added new functionalities such as information page as well as a leadership page in order to better foster engagement between users. First introducing website. So when we go to register, let's quickly register for account. So we have to ensure that our password match or it will be rejected by the system. And also we have to ensure that we come up with a distinct username that hasn't been used right now, because if our username has already been used, then we have to come up with a new username. So after logging into our page, first we will be presented to our portfolio page, which will be a consolidation of the total stocks or the total remaining amount of cash that we have. So for start, we have 10,000 amount of cash. So next, moving on to the information page. So this information page will present with us with the to allow us to better navigate this application and to allow users to better understand what the different functionalities that this application will offer. So next we go to code. So code is just for us to understand more about the price of the current stock. So for example, we type in Apple. So yes, we are able to know what's the price of an Apple share. Okay. So this will allow us to make a more informed decision. And when it comes to buy, okay, so let's assume that we want to buy 10 shares of Apple. Okay, so yes, we'll be redirected back to our home page where it will be written as us having bought 10 shares of Apple as well as remaining cash being 8,400. So let's assume that, hey, we want to buy one more share of Apple. So yes, then it will be added up to the number of shares of Apple we have, which is 11 now. And yeah, so now we will have 8,275 amount of cash left. And let's assume that for sale, we would like to sell. So for sale, we can only sell the number of shares of company that we're currently holding, which is Apple. Let's assume that after we sell 5 shares of Apple, we need 6 shares of Apple left. Okay, so when we look at our history, so our history will be arranged in based on our time, so we are able to know what are the different transactions that we have made and allow us to better keep track. So lastly, moving on to our leadership page. So as you can see, so there are different accounts here, and this serves as a peer comparison for friends, and we'll be able to it will be arranged by the total score, which is the total amount of cash left as well as the value of the stock. So if users have similar total amount, so users with higher cash remaining will be awarded a higher place. Yeah, so pretty much that's our website.